And last but not least, I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing on Linux. In this case, I have Ubuntu. It may differ slightly in different flavors of Linux, but a lot of them have the same graphical user interface. So I'll show you on this one, and you can adjust accordingly. And I should say up front that I'm not going to show you how to do the command line version of this using the terminal. It's possible to do that as well. I'm going to keep it basic though, at least for the purpose of this introductory video. So again, I'm starting with install Google Chrome, typed into Firefox in this case, and it'll give me the same choice that I've had before. And I'm going to choose Google Chrome browser, and once it loads in, okay, same page. In this case, I hit the button again, and it's going to give me a slightly different pop-up window. I have two choices here. I can either choose a .deb file, which is a Debian file, Debian package, or if I had a different flavor of Linux, I could use the RPM. I have Ubuntu, so I'm going to use this .deb file, and I hit accept and install. And again, save file. And that should bring me to the same thing as before. You can see the file is downloading, and once it finishes downloading, and all I have to do is right click the file, open with software install, and press install. Again, I've already done it, so I'm going to cancel, but that's basically all you have to do.